the laws that shape our destiny. Life is like a map. Every step you take, every road you choose, it's always in your hands. The laws of life don't change. They are constant, unshaken by time or circumstance. They apply everywhere, to everyone regardless of where you were born, the challenges you faced, or the opportunities you were given. These laws govern the flow of life itself, shaping our reality in ways both seen and unseen. Some believe fate is fixed, written in the stars, predetermined beyond our control. They see life as a script already written, a path already laid out, where choices are merely illusions. But the truth is much simpler and far more powerful. You shape your destiny, not by chance, not by luck, but by the choices you make each day, the mindset you cultivate, and the actions you take. Every thought, every decision, every step forward or backward molds the life you experience. The world doesn't move against you or in your favor, it responds to you. It isn't something that will be revealed to you. It isn't a secret waiting to unfold. It is waiting to be created by you. With awareness, intention, and the courage to take responsibility, you hold the pen to write your own story. Question is not what life has in store for you, but rather, what will you choose to create? Why do some people seem to succeed effortlessly, while others struggle, no matter how hard they try? Why do some rise above challenges while others feel trapped in endless obstacles? Is life a game of chance, predetermined before we even take our first breath, or do we hold more power than we realize? Some believe destiny is fixed, written in the fabric of time, leaving no room for choice or change. But that belief is an illusion, one that keeps us stuck, waiting for life to happen instead of shaping it ourselves. Destiny is not a mere coincidence. It is not something that randomly unfolds. It is something we shape with every thought, every action, every decision. Our past has led us to this very moment, not by accident, but by the sum of the choices we have made along the way. And the choices we make now, they will carve the path ahead. Every step forward, every mindset shift, every moment of courage determines the direction of our lives. Nothing is set in stone unless we allow it to be. So, the real question is, will you take control, or will you let life happen to you? Every situation we encounter presents us with a choice: how we respond, how we interpret, and how we move forward. We cannot control everything that happens, but we can always control the way we react. Life isn't about forcing events to go our way. It's about navigating them with awareness, choosing the response that empowers us rather than limits us. Some see obstacles and stop. Others see opportunities and grow. The difference lies not in the situation itself, but in the mindset behind the response. It's not the circumstances that define our path, but how we engage with them. Challenges can be roadblocks or stepping stones. It all depends on how we choose to see them. Struggles can break us or make us stronger. Failures can discourage us or fuel our determination. Our greatest power does not come from trying to control life's events. It comes from the conscious choices we make every single day. Everything we put into the world, our thoughts, words, and actions, sets unseen forces into motion. Every intention carries energy. Every choice sends out a ripple, shaping not only our experiences but the world around us. What you give, you receive. Positivity attracts positivity, just as negativity breeds more of the same. Kindness, generosity, and gratitude return in ways we may not expect, but always in ways that matter. Likewise, fear, resentment, and anger create echoes that eventually find their way back. Like a ripple expanding in water, every action creates a reaction, weaving the fabric of our reality. Life is not random, it responds. The energy we put out moves in cycles, circling back to us, reinforcing the patterns we create. When we understand this, we stop waiting for luck or blaming circumstances. We realize that we are constantly shaping our own future with the choices we make today. Are you merely reacting to life, allowing circumstances to dictate your path, or are you actively shaping it with intention and purpose? Do you wait for luck to change your direction, hoping for the right moment to arrive, or do you create your own opportunities, turning every challenge into a stepping stone? Taking responsibility is the first step the moment you acknowledge that you hold the power to influence your future. Because real change doesn't come from waiting for the perfect conditions or hoping for things to get better on their own. Real change begins when you stop waiting and start acting. It happens when you shift from wishing to doing, from hesitation to momentum, from uncertainty to unwavering determination. The future isn't something that happens to you. It's something you build, choice by choice, action by action, every single day. When you truly understand the laws of life, you'll see that the power has always been yours. It's never about what happens to you. It's about how you respond, how you adapt, and how you grow. Every decision, every action moves you closer to or further from your dreams. So what will you choose today?